Hey guys, Dr. Ben Adkins here, and it is about 48 hours since I had the privilege of hanging out with you on the live webinar. And number one, let me just say thank you. I value your time, and for you to spend the time with me on the live call meant a lot to me. So we talked about this thing called a zero client agency, and just to recap, this is how I've been able to do 5 to 10,000 a month without having any clients. And it's a pretty powerful method. So if you haven't, watched all of the webinar, you missed any part of it, make sure you go watch it. But right now, what I want to do is I want to show you, number one, something that I think is really awesome, a hustler that got off of the call that we were on and what they did and how fast they put what I offered together. And then I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to have at your disposal once you get going. So what I want to do right now is I want to jump into the screen right here, and I want to show you Jim Brown got off of the call and picked up the Zero Client Agency Done For You package. And this is what Jim had to say very quickly right after. My Zero Client Agency is up and running, was a full day getting all the pieces connected, but feels good to have it done. Now, you may be saying, well, Ben, why would you show us this? He's saying it took a full day to put it together. Well, here's the ball game. We got all of these things done, and something that would have taken 6 months to a year to put together if you'd have done this for yourself, put together this asset that is, putting 5 to 10K a month into your business. Jim was able to do it with all of the done for you materials, connect everything on his side, customize it to his agency and the types of clients that he goes after in under a day. So pretty powerful. So now I want to show you what you're getting, and I want to explain this. You are getting a full funnel, a full product, the whole ball game. So let's dive in. Let's talk about what you're getting inside. So what I'm going to show you right now is you're looking at a ClickFunnels instance. Now, if you are not a ClickFunnels person, don't worry. You're getting all the assets. You can set this up however you want. However, if the only reason maybe you stayed away from ClickFunnels is because maybe it was too expensive, and I totally understand that, I've actually set this up for you in a way where if you wanted to just take the share link that I'm going to be giving everybody that jumps into the Zero Client Agency Done For You program, if you wanted to just take the link that I'm giving you and move it over, something very interesting will happen. If you move it over into a new ClickFunnels account and you sign up, you're going to be given the option to actually set this up in a $19.95 per month account. So you can run this thing for like $20 a month, which if you're doing the math, that's pretty stinking good for what you can bring in for a return. So what we've got here is we've got 7 different pages, and I want to explain really quickly what each of these pages is all about. We've got an opt-in page, an upsell 1, and upsell 2. Now, these are the videos that actually upsell your products that you're going to have that are yours after you actually get through with this, initial opt-in. Okay, so we've got a thank you page, a delivery page, and a delivery page for both the $19.95 product that you're going to have and the $99.95 product. So what you're essentially doing is you're going to have a digital product funnel that is ready to go that you can start running ads for. Now, of course, we provide the ad too, but we'll get that in a minute. And then we have a standalone sales page that this is what is going to be a page that's not in an upsell sequence. So you can just direct traffic there, and it won't be like, why am I seeing an upsell video? So we've got really everything in here that we've thought of. So let me actually show you this. This is what an example of the opt-in funnel actually looks like. So what we've got here is this is aimed at chiropractors. Now you could do dentists, you could do real estate agents, you could do car dealerships, you can do just about anything that is your specific niche. Whatever you're already offering to whoever you're offering it for, you can really aim this directly at them. And so we've got this great setup. And what this is a PDF that they can download, and it walks them through some stuff that's going to get them ready to want to work with you. So there's some deep psychology going on when they go through that. That's going to absolutely help you to convert them into a client just because they've gone through this process. So what's so great is you're delivering something to them that they are going to get, and sure, it's going to provide value, and they're going to think, hey, this is different than most of the things that I've seen. But at the same time, what it's going to do is it's going to sell them on, talking with you if you ever did want to sell them services. So like I said, zero client, you don't have to, but if you wanted to, this sets them up for it. So right after they opt in here, of course, there's going to be an email that goes out to them, and we wrote all those emails for you. They're done. What happens is we've got this email that goes out, but before they get that, they see this page. Now, this is the upsell page. This particular page is what they see right after they opt in. I've got a done for you sales video that's telling them what they just got downloaded, where to check it out in their inbox, but to watch this because you got something cool that you're going to show them. And then we've got this great little sales letter that shows them, hey, this is what you get if you jump into this. High converting, tested. It's really a beautiful process. Now, if they go ahead and buy this, and like I said, I've got places for you to customize this. You can put your logo here. You can put your name and your business stuff here. This is super easy. And like I said, you can get this customized fast, okay? So from there, they go to this upgrade offer to this one, which is just no sales letter, just an upsell. This is for the $99.95 product that you're going to have access to, and you're going to have as an asset of the rights to sell it. And we cover all of that, of course, in the webinar, but I want to show you some actual screenshots, right? So from there, they are taken to this page, and this just says, hey, we're emailing you access to everything that you bought, but in the meantime, join our Facebook group. And this is what we call our light bulb asset. That's what we covered on the call. Make sure you jump back to that and watch that and why this Facebook group is so important. Now, what's so cool about this is no matter who you are or what you sell, what your company is, and like I said, you can rebrand that for your company, you can actually take them to this Facebook group that you've set up specifically for the niche. So we've got folks that service dentists. They have a dental marketing group that's set up just to collect people in that group. We've got folks that do chiropractic. They send people to their chiropractic marketing group. And this is a group where you can collect all your customers. Okay, so from here, we move on into something more powerful, which is what the actual product is. And when I say more powerful, this is something that they're going to go through. It's designed to brand you as an expert in online marketing, digital marketing, but also at the same time, it's designed to really give them a ton of value. Okay, so what it is we've got a page that looks like this. We've got the button to join your Facebook group. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it means that you haven't actually watched the webinar. Make sure you go watch the webinar. You brand this with your face, your company name, your phone number so that they can call you if they want to. You can always take your phone number off of this if you don't want them to call you. But then we've got this great course, professionally done course that is going to absolutely blow them away no matter what niche or industry that they're in. And it's done. We don't ever identify who we are on this course. It's my voice on the course, but it's your name at the top. So it looks like I'm just an employee that happens to work for your agency. So this is basically the 1995 course. From there, we've got something that looks similar, but this is the done for you funnel. So we've got all these cool done for you funnels in specific niches. Now, it doesn't matter if you are working in a niche that doesn't fit into one of these done for you funnels. Any niche can come look at these done for you funnels, any industry, and learn something that they can apply. This also sets you up to do business. Now, it doesn't matter if you don't do Facebook. Just because we're teaching Facebook, it's what they want right now, what the industry wants. It's going to set you up as an expert in digital marketing. Not necessarily an expert in Facebook marketing, but an expert in digital marketing. So we've got these two products that are designed to do just that. Now from there, we've got this standalone sales page. If you just want to send somebody to the sales page, well, you don't want to send them way back over here for one of these. You don't want to send them to the upsell video. You want to send them to a standalone sales page, which is going to look like this. And you can sell the 1995 product direct from there, plus brand it for your business. Now, the cool part is, as I said early on, we got Jim who jumped in, took action, and he saw all those good things that I just showed you. He saw the webinar that you watched, and within a day, it was under a day. When he says full day, we're talking about a work day. So when he did this, this was him going in and instantly blowing this thing up and putting it together. And now he's running traffic to it. In the span of a few hours, he got started, and he has an asset that would take most people months to put together, and he's already running traffic to it, already starting to see results from this. So I say all that to say this. I wanted to cut this for you because I appreciated your time watching the webinar, whether you made it to the live webinar or you made it to the replay. Thanks so much. And like I said, I have a blast teaching this stuff because it's been so big for my agency. It's been so big to the tight-knit group of folks. I haven't taught this to a lot of people because it's a secret worth keeping, but the folks that I've taught it to are getting results. And I wanted to cut you this video because if you haven't jumped in yet, the opportunity may be going away very soon to get it at the special deal that we've put it together for you. So make sure you jump in. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that helps illuminate a little more what you're getting inside. You're getting a full digital funnel that is designed to make your agency money without having to take on any clients. But what's so great is with the Facebook group and the light bulb asset, what I showed you in the webinar, this actually helps set you up to get clients from all over the world without having to be there in person. This actually sets your agency up to be something that is a seven-figure agency just because it has that nice digital product intro, which brands you as an expert. All right, so that's it. I hope you're having a good one. I hope that since I got to talk to you in the last 48 hours or so on the webinar or the replay, you've had a chance to start thinking about this, and hopefully this shows you a little more behind the scenes of what you're getting. All right, take care of yourself. Dr. Ben Atkins here, and I'm excited to see you inside of the Zero Client Agency Done For You program. I'm excited to see you running this for your agency.